In this video, we're going to learn about the USAutomatic expansion module. I will show how to bring power to the module, understanding the type of pins for the photo eye side, and to understand the type of pins for the contact edge side. To bring power to the expansion module, a jumper wire is needed from J2 pin 1 on the main control board to J2 pin 1 on the expansion module for the positive power. Connect J2 pin 2 from the main control board to J2 pin 2 on the expansion module for negative power. Under the photo eye side, 1 is for the normally closed contact and 2 is for the relay common. Photo eye positive power is J2 pin 3 on the module, and the photo eye negative power is J2 pin 2 on the module. Make sure to turn off DS2 switch to the photo eye port you are using. It needs to be flat to the left. Under the contact edge side, 1 is for the normally open contact and it must have a 10K resistor, and 2 is for the relay common. Make sure to turn off the DS1 switch to the contact edge port you are using. It needs to be flat to the left or open circuit.